Chadwick Discovering the Neutron by kscience.com. In 1932, neutrons were discovered by a man called James Chadwick. Prior to 1932, there were many scientists trying to discover the neutron. They knew their understanding of the atom was not complete, but they didn't know what was missing in their quest to understand the structure of the atom. They would ask questions such as, where is the missing mass? For example, with carbon, the atomic number is 6. Yet, if they had a sample of carbon, there is more mass than there should be. And they just couldn't understand why. So these scientists would have been talking amongst themselves and asking questions such as, we know about protons, but what is causing the other mass? Positive protons are easy to detect. Negative electrons are also easy to detect. What is causing this other mass? Well, one scientist stood out amongst the rest. His name was Chadwick, and he did many experiments which discovered the neutron, which explained the missing mass. There was a large gap between discovering the protons and discovering neutrons. This is because neutrons were hard to detect as they are neutral. The lack of technology at the time were not able to distinguish between protons and neutrons which had the same mass. And because they were neutral, they didn't show up in the machinery which they used in their experiments. Not until 1932 when James Chadwick discovered the neutron. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit kscience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at kscience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.